we're really happy. I think it's a really special script. It's a really simple story, but it's got a lot of heart and a lot of humor. And of course, we all knew that Vinay was the package deal. He was coming with the script, come what may. And he's been an incredible co-star to work with. Though I think everybody knows that Vinay and I are two very unlikely people really to come together. Even the films that we've done in the past are very, very different. I've never seen Vinay in a bikini underwater. And
मेरी खूबसूरती छुपी रह जाती कपड़ों में, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
So it was exciting, the whole prospect of it. And I have to say that it gives you a tremendous sense of, I can't describe it, to really see the titles and to see Bhigi Basanti Entertainment up there. So I'm really proud and really happy that Chalo Dilli is finally here.
ये बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म है और बहुत ही मनोरंजक है, बहुत ही रोचक है और हमने बहुत मेहनत की है. पता नहीं हिंदुस्तान में कहां-कहां जाके आप लोगों का मनोरंजन करने के लिए ऐसी जगहों पे गए हैं जहां की फोटोएं भी नहीं देखी होंगी आपने. इस फिल्म की सबसे खास बात यह है कि हम लोग दिल्ली जाने के लिए निकले लेकिन दिल्ली न पहुंचे भाई.
मैं स्क्रिप्ट लेके गया था कृषिका जी के पास और लारा के पास एंड महेश के पास. Simultaneously they were also talking with each other. They all saw the script. Lara threw the script away.
No, it's lies.
No, okay.
No, okay, I'll take my turn when it comes.
She threw the script away. Krishika slapped, and Mahesh just threw me out of the office and said, "कौन सी बड़ी बात होगी?"
It's all because of I was in the script.
This is the only man I know who's driven 60 kilometers from location. The hotel to go back home is the other way. We've just finished a 13-hour shift. This is the only man I know who's driven 60 kilometers the other way just so he could eat malpua.
In my defense, all I have to say is that I was preparing for the character. And my character, Manu Gupta, as you could see, loved to eat. तो अगर हम शूट नहीं भी कर रहे होते थे तो मैं चाहता था कि जितना कोशिश करूं अपने किरदार के साथ बंधा रहूं.
Vinay plays a character who is from Delhi, from Chandni Chowk actually, and we actually shot this film in some really interesting places. ऐसे बहुत सारी जगह जब मैं पहले कभी नहीं गई हूँ. We were in Shekhawati in places like Jhunjhunu and Nuwa and Alsisar and things, Piramal Haveli, which was quite a scary experience. But just we saw a whole side to India कि जो normally आपको ये कभी मतलब आप महसूस नहीं करते हो. You know, it was a really nice slice of real India, and I think we've tried to capture that also on screen. We had a wonderful DOP who's not here with us today, Nikos Andritsakis, full
good-looking man,
name to talk. Yeah, the only eye candy that we had on the shoot. But who's done a wonderful job of actually capturing this. So yeah, it's been. We're very, very excited and very privileged to have the soundtrack of Leila on the CD, and they've done a wonderful job on the remix. So I'm pretty sure that it's going to give Munni and Sheila a run for its money.
All I can say right now is that after Bheja Fry and Das Vidania, at least my checks are not bouncing. Okay? And the rumor that I'm charging 3 crores and 4 crores, मेरी पिक्चर की बजट ही उतनी आसपास होती है भाई. वैसे लेकिन आपने जो मसला उठाया है इसे कृपया पार्लियामेंट तक पहुंचाएं ताकि हमारा भी कुछ फायदा हो. कट मिलेगा.
A lot of my male counterparts counterparts within the business have already got their own production houses. आज सब बड़े actors अपनी खुद की पिक्चरें बना रहे हैं. So whether it's Saif or Shahrukh or Salman, you know, the men have already taken the lead, and I don't think that the women should be left behind. Or especially for the women, there's a serious dearth of roles to do. I mean, we're constantly playing somebody's girlfriend or somebody's wife, you know, on screen, and after a while, you know, you get fed up and tired of this. So I don't think we should only do female-oriented subjects. Chalo Dilli is not a female-oriented subject, but you can still have two characters that equally contribute to a film, and you get a chance to do something. So hopefully with Chalo Dilli, I'll have that possibility, and you know, and I look forward to being part of projects like that. And if nobody else is making them, I'll make them myself.